Hello and welcome to The Print. I am Chitwan Vinayak and you are watching Pre-Truth. To begin with, let us talk about Karnataka. Caste census is a tightrope that has had the Karnataka government in a bind ever since the findings were released nearly a fortnight ago. Such is the complexities involved that the two senior Congress ministers locked horns over the decision to discuss the caste census in the last cabinet meeting. MB Patil and SS Mallikarjun, top leaders from the Lingayat community, got into a heated argument according to the people aware of the developments. Both ministers are on the same side of the caste census debate but on opposite ends when it comes to the separate religion status for the dominant group. Mallikarjun is said to have told Patil that the previous misadventure to accord a minority religion status to Lingayats caused the Congress power in 2018. At this, Patil claimed that it made no impact on his election. To this, Mallikarjun said, and I quote, "Anyone can win by spending rupees 100 crore. You also have money. Who asked you not to spend?" Patil is said to have retorted. Mallikarjun is the son of senior Congress leader Shamanur Shiv Shankar Appa. Patil's elder son Basant is married to Mallikarjun's niece. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah stepped in and admonished the two senior leaders. Moving on to Uttar Pradesh next, let us talk about relief for Samajwadi leader Azam Khan. Many an eyebrow was raised when Azam Khan got relief from the court of Moradabad Divisional Commissioner Anjanya Kumar Singh in a case related to Muhammad Ali Johar University's trust. The Samajwadi Party senior leader heads the trust. It was during the journalist turned IAS officer's posting as a district magistrate in Rampur between 2019 and 2021 that had seen Khan dubbed Singh as a tool for the Yogi Adityanath government to carry out political vendetta against him. Senior SP leaders including Akhilesh Yadav had accused Singh for filing false cases against Khan. Now, Singh has overturned an earlier order that demanded a 20 crore cess from the Muhammad Ali Johar University Trust. In the meantime, Azam's bonding with Bhim Army Chief Chandrasekhar Azad has got the tongues wagging in SP circles. Azad met Khan thrice in jail in the last 1 year. Lastly, let us talk about Kerala and the Congress party there. Senior Kerala Congress leaders have come in for flake for the party mouthpiece Veekshanam for pushing and jostling to be in front at a party function for cameras to capture their presence. Sometimes we exhibit behavior that is not suited to the value and status of this party. Some forget their own status while jostling to get to some events. It's high time that we stop this behavior that puts the party in public shame, said the Congress mouthpiece in an editorial. Although it did not name the leaders, video clips that have gone viral on social media show leader of opposition V.D. Sathisen, Congress State Chief K. Sudhakaran, and senior leader Ramesh Chenithala jostling to get into the front row during the inauguration of the new DCC office in Kerala's Kozhikode. Alappuzha MP K.C. Venugopal inaugurated the office.